Y'all might be shocked I'm posting 2 videos in one day, and it's because the Jordan 3 Reimagined is gonna be restocking tomorrow, possibly on the sneakers app, and there's probably like 40,000 pairs. I just wanted to make sure I hopped on here and let y'all know, yo, these shit's gonna be dropping again. So make sure if you missed on these for retail, you hop on sneakers tomorrow. They're saying at like 10 a.m. these might restock. It's not confirmed, but we're hearing we're gonna get these and then the UNC 5s. 40k pairs for these approximately, and around 25k pairs for the UNC 5s. So if y'all missed out on these and you want a pair, make sure y'all hop on the sneakers app. I know y'all might be talking about these are return pairs, the fucked up joints, all that shit, but I still feel like this is a pair that y'all definitely pick up in the collection. This might be my sneaker of the year still to this date. I know there's been SB4s, there's been Jarrito Dunks, Travis Lowe's, but as a sneakerhead that loves his OGs, this is one that you definitely should try to pick up, especially for retail, bro. Like if y'all could get these tomorrow, why not? You feel me? I'm definitely gonna need another pair of these before the year's out. I know resale isn't there and shit. This is definitely a pair that is a must in anybody's collection. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and let y'all know that there is gonna be a restock, possibly, bro. If it doesn't happen, don't come on here tweaking on me. My bad, bro. This is what I'm hearing, so I decided to make this quick little video for y'all. This is the second upload of the day, so if you're watching this right now, go check out the top 10 cheapest Jordan 4s that you could buy in the market. Obviously, I put a solid ass list together, not just some bullshit pairs. Make sure y'all check that video out. This is just a quick little update letting y'all know, yo, tomorrow Reimagined 3s might be hitting the air, bro. So if you want these, make sure you get up. I'm gonna be at work, and if I do end up picking up a pair, I might try to film it for y'all and do a little live cop. I did end up paying resale for this pair, so hey, if I could balance out the odds with the retail pair, we should be straight. This is a pair that I love, bro. Like I had these in 2013 in high school, and I just definitely had to buy these no matter the price. So if y'all want to pick these up, make sure y'all do your due diligence, at least check it out. There's supposed to be a Jordan Reserve, which is first come first serve, slight bars if y'all need them. If y'all enjoyed this quick little video, make sure you leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you're gonna be trying to go for these. And if you do end up copping because of this video, come back tomorrow, let me know you took a W or an L. Just let me know. Also, make sure you check out the other video I posted today. It was a banger, bro. Definitely a must watch. Top 10 Jordan 4s you could pick up under 300. There's some over, some under, you feel me? For the most part, a lot of cheap Jordan 4s that are gonna go up in value. Go check this out, and I'll catch you there. Peace.